go see. See if we can find more eggs.
Okay. How will we show this?
No, run away by the TV.
TV. Then the TV. No. Where eggs go?
Huh? Where the eggs go?
Oh, there's
Oh, there's one. Whoop. Pick them up.
Okay.
Wow. Where is it? I'm going to step on it.
Find it.
There's one on the floor.
Huh?
You see it?
The penny?
Robin, it's right here.
Huh?
Right there.
Nice. Okay, now find this.
This way.
Huh?
Look out there.
But it's stuck outside.
Okay.
Oh, I think we have to go get your shoes first then. Let's go this way.
Yeah.